Firey, you've been like this the whole time. What are you doing?
I'm doing nothing. What, do you have a reason for me to do something else?
Gosh, why are you so... you know what? It doesn't matter. Needle's going up. She's fast.
Yeah! Come on, Four. I know you're in there. I wasn't expecting that to work.
What now?
I guess we'll squirt it out into the shape of 4.
Wait! Don't you think someone more dexterous should do it?
You're right. Since Ben showed us how great she is at making cakes, she should do it.
Thanks for saying that about my cake, but I can't. What if I mess up our only chance to get 4 back?
Aw, come on, please. I know you do a great job.
Pin! Believe in the loser in you.
You're right.
Loser, you've always helped me out during times of distress. What do you say?
Times are a-changing.
Huh?
It's a new season now. Say it with me. Daylight savings.
Daylight savings!
Oh, daylight savings is when clocks jump forward an hour.